Your calendar should support your workflow, not interrupt it. Appointlet helps you maintain control and deliver a reliable booking experience by giving you the flexibility to decide when, how, and with whom meetings happen. In this video, we'll cover 5 key features that help protect your availability and eliminate scheduling surprises. We'll look at manual approval, scheduling rules, calendar integrations, one-time scheduling links, and custom availability. Number 1, manual approval. Manual approval lets you review each request before confirming. This means you get to choose which meetings to accept. It's a great way to qualify leads and ensure that every meeting is time well spent. Number 2, scheduling rules. Appointlet allows you to set boundaries using rules like minimum or maximum notice, daily and weekly meeting limits, and buffer time between appointments. This means you always stay in control of your workload so you can avoid burnout and keep your schedule balanced throughout the day or week. Number 3, calendar integrations. Appointlet supports integrations with Google and Office 365 or Outlook calendars. This is a real-time calendar sync with conflict detection that makes sure you never get double booked. This means that your appointments only get scheduled when you're truly free. It also keeps you aligned with your clients, minimizing confusion or missed meetings. Number 4, one-time scheduling links. One-time scheduling links give you added flexibility when you only want a meeting to be booked once. You can send a private, single-use link that disappears after booking. It's great for interviews, consultations, or high-priority meetings where you want extra control. And number 5, custom availability. Each meeting type in Appointlet allows you to override your standard schedule when you need to make exceptions, remove availability, or add additional hours to your schedule when needed. With these features working together, Appointlet ensures your calendar is both powerful and predictable, helping you meet with confidence on your terms. To learn more about these features, be sure to check out our in-depth tutorial videos below.